Hello friends, in this video we will talk about the dual currency processing. First we will understand what is the dual currency processing. Suppose as a normal customer we have our card issued in India, we are using the card in the local market. But suppose tomorrow we are going to some any foreign country, so we have to use our card there also. So in that scenario we have to activate the dual currency processing here. Means we can do transaction in the two currency. One is our Indian currency, second one is any foreign transactions where we are traveling, maybe US, Australia, Europe, whatever. So we'll see what are the important parameter here. So just now as I said, dual currency processing used cardholder can do in transaction in two currency. A local currency where customer is living or where the card has been issued, and a foreign currency where customer is traveling or maybe other than local currency any country, that is the foreign currency. The local currency usually the currency of the country in which the account is issued. The foreign currency is established currency in the region. Dual account residing in different organizations are created for each customer. So to use the local means foreign currency transactions, dual account residing in different organizations are created for each country. Means with the same account number, a different account number is created in another org. Transactions received in the local currency are routed to the local account. Transactions received in the foreign currency are routed to the foreign account. While two accounts exist in the CMS, dual currency processing allows you to offer a single card that accepts both the local and foreign currency with the ability to bill the account in one or both the country. It's depend on the customer choice whether we want entire billing in the local currency or separate billing for each local and foreign currency transactions. Before processing dual currency, all issuer and require must meet certain requirement. First, all issuer must have dual currency agreement with the Visa, Mastercard, Europay, even with other options like Amex, Rupee, on the BIN ICL level and account level also. BIN is for the bank identification number and ICI is interchange card, something like that. I need to find out what is ICI. Yeah. All issuers within the European Union must have their trans-based system currency defined as euros. Anyone processing retail card must have the TRAM system. Now see what are the important parameters for the activation of dual currency. To activate dual currency feature, need to set up the proper controls on these three control records. For dual currency indicate whether the dual currency feature is active in the CMS. On the ARQS page 02, we have highlighted this field that is dual currency. Once means it is active. Now the org level parameter. As I said, since we are going to use the foreign means transaction in the foreign currency, so similar same account number will be created in two different org here. Like we can say org duplicate org is 20 means actual org is 208 and duplicate org is 206. Same we can see for the foreign org also, like organization 206 and duplicate org is 208, but main difference is the currency indicator here. Currency indicator 0 means local transactions, means for this org is for the local currency transaction, and currency indicator 1 means this card is used for the foreign transactions, foreign currency transactions. Now currency table. The currency table from the security subsystem and common routine module from which to put pool rates for the currency conversion. The value are 0, 1 to 10 user defined, 11 is for Visa, 12 for the Mastercard, 13 for Europay, 14 here for some other future use, and 15 for Euro. Means this is basically currency table is used for the conversion from foreign transaction to the local currency value. Country code that indicate the country in which this organization is used. Currency indicator, this field designated whether it is local or foreign currency organization. 0 for local by default and 1 for the foreign. That is currency, foreign currency that indicates in which currency the association organization is processing. Now this is the logo level parameter here. We can see a dual one parameter local use for 0 Let if if this R is for the local use, then this value should be 0 here. And currency code is 392. And here for the international transactions, currency code is 840 here. Suppose your customer is going to use the transaction in the US, then currency code will be 840. Now level parameter, logo level parameter we'll see one by one, it by its definition. Dual means code that determine if dual currency accepting transaction and settlement in two different currency is permitted for account in this logo. The value are 0 means dual currency is not active, CMS account exists in a single organization only, and both the local and foreign transactions are cleared in the local currency. 1 means dual currency is active, CMS accept the transaction and settlement in two different currencies. Local use only card indicator that is default for the new cardholder added to this logo record. The value are 0 means this record can be used internationally. 1 means this card can be used locally. Associated currency means code that indicate in which currency the associated logo is processing. Now continued. Now currency code. The first part designates which currency the logo is using for processing. The value is one of the ISO standard currency code. Here 0 means local and 1 foreign transactions. Account record. When dual currency processing is active, CMS will automatically create the following records. For the local means for duplicate organized in the different logo means customer name, address record, account based segment record, embossing record, relationship record. Now this is for the billing option here. Dual billing means 0. We'll see. Dual currency account holder may decide how the foreign account is billed. The dual billing flag on the local account control which currency is used to bill the foreign accounts. Dual means code. It indicates the account is dual currency account. Currency code from the organization record. Dual billing means 0 bill the foreign account in the foreign transaction. If it is 1 means bill the foreign account in the local currency. If foreign account is billed using the foreign currency, then CMS generates a minimum payment for each account. The cardholder is accepted to make the two payment in the appropriate currency. And second one is if foreign account is billed using the local currency, CMS generates a minimum payment for each account. The foreign account's minimum payment amount is converted to the local currency. The cardholder is expected to make one payment in the local currency. So this is all about the dual currency processing. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision. Thank you.